Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Gold. So today in this video I'll be showing you how to make money by doing captchas. Solve captchas and make money out of it. Now it's that simple. I'll show you a website where you can make money, and this video will be as usual. I'll be showing you that website. I'll be telling you all the pros and cons of it and walk you through the process. Now without further ado, we'll start off with this video. Now here is the website guys. It's 2captcha.com, and in this website you're going to register yourself as a captcha worker, and here are the rates for each one, where you will be starting off with $0.71 for 1000 normal captchas and $2.99 per 1000 recaptchas. So there is one interesting thing that I want to share with you guys, is that difference between captcha and recaptcha. So here they would have given you normal captcha and another one normal plus recaptcha when you're starting to work. Now what is the major difference? Here it is. So captcha, as we have all seen, it is the basic form to make sure that we are not a bot, and it will be asking us to enter some text or some math calculation that it is asking us to enter in order to get in through the website, or for any downloads or subscriptions that you are going to click on. Now here reCAPTCHA is another version of the captcha. Like earlier system, reCAPTCHA also serves for controlling the spam and bot entering or automated works that are going to happen in the website. To control that, they have actually developed, and now it is owned by Google. And this reCAPTCHA is actually started with the notion that to convert all the old archived books which are not legible enough, and make them more digitalized. So digitalize all the old archive books, they have started this, and they have made all the old scanned books here as two words, and it is crowdsourced, and when a lot of people are entering those words and finding out and entering it, those are just combined and made into Google Books. So the major difference will be captchas will just ask you to enter something, but recaptchas will ask you to enter, and at the same time it will also be having one checkbox where you have to click on the checkbox saying I'm not a robot. Now that being said, we'll move on with this website. Here as you can see, you will be getting zero point 0.5 US dollars for 1 to 2 hours working here on this site. Now working here on the site is not that easy as how it sounds like, because entering captchas will be so easy that you are thinking of, but it is actually not, which is what I'm going to talk about more detail in this video later. Now before click on register, you will end up in this page where you have to enter all your details, and after confirming your email address, you will be here in this page where you have to click I'm a worker and click on the next, which will redirect you again to your dashboard, from where you will be having all your profile information, statistics, working, and everything, payment confirmation, everything will be here. So once you're in this home page in your dashboard, you will be able to see your last earnings, your statistics, and how many you have solved and how many you have done mistakes. So all those things will be listed here. Now to start working, you have to click on start work button, which you are able to see on the top. Now after clicking that, once you have clicked on that, for the first time you will have it in training mode, because you are not going to be let into this website directly to make money, because they want to make sure that you are going to solve every captcha seriously, and you are not going to waste their time and as well as yours. Now you should be having a bit of training, because they won't know that you actually have a good amount of doing solving captcha works and all, so they will be giving you this testing mode for your personal practice. Now we'll start off with it. Please don't mistake me, I might do a lot of mistakes and error, just don't mind it, but this is just for training, right? That being said, now just solve the captchas that they are giving you. They will also be giving you hints on how this solving captchas is going to work. Now you will be getting all these captchas mixed when you are doing it for real. Now after this training mode gets over, you will end up in doing all your real work in real time, which has all of these things mixed coming up in a random way. Now here in this training mode, if you are going to do something wrong, it will prompt you with a message that it's an error and you have to correct it in a way that they are saying, and this is the correct one, and they will also be giving you the answer. But in original mode, if you're going to make a lot of mistakes, your account might get suspension. If that suspension is going to be repetitively for more than 2 to 3 times, your account is going to be temporarily banned. But if the moderator finds you that you're intentionally making a lot of mistakes, then he will ban you forever. So you cannot regain your account, or you won't be able to withdraw the amount that you have earned till then. So be careful with that. Now, till training mode, do all those practice and make sure you're going to enter everything correctly in your original mode in order to avoid all those bans. Now here in this training mode, it is over 45 captures that you have to solve. It will be mixed, it will also be giving you hints, so make sure you remember all those things when you're going to apply it in your original capture solving. Now I think this is bit okay. Still, it is a lot of time sucking one, because it's taking so much of time to finish 45 to complete this training mode. Now after training mode, you will be prompted when you are actually making mistake. It will show you which captcha you have solved wrongly. In original mode, I'm saying, when you are solving something wrongly, it will be showing you it in your dashboard that you have made a mistake, and that mistake is this one, and it will show you that your account is temporarily suspended and all those stuffs. Training mode is bit easy, but in original mode it is so hard, and they are giving so many illegible words which you will be taking a lot of time. But then they also have another check mark in that place, which is you will be getting just a timer which will be like around 15 seconds, or a maximum of 30 seconds, like not so long, not a minute and all. You'll be getting just in seconds. You have to complete that captcha. Some captchas are literally so hard to find out, which I took a little longer. If you're going to take so much time to finish those things, they will also be prompting that your reputation is getting low. Reputation is nothing but it will say you that how far you're working and how is your working style and speed. According to that, the rate might differ, because it is not going to be the same as it shows in you in the first page, that you will be getting $0.71 per thousand normal captures that you're solving is for general. Like in general, on an average they are telling you, but that is not the case here. You will be getting paid on your working speed, because it changes for everyone. I might get $0.2, that might be my starting reputation. If I'm going to increase my speed, my reputation will also be increasing, and thus my earnings, overall earnings, will increase. So this is how it is going to work. Now, in order to maintain a good reputation, you should make sure that you are not going to make a lot of mistakes, and you are also doing the capture solving works as fast as you can. Like in 30 seconds you should be able to finish at least 40 to 50 captures. So that is what they are expecting. Now on the screen, I'm just still struggling with the training mode. I will show you the original mode also in the later part of this video. Now before moving on with the second part of this video, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also click on the bell notification so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Now in the second part of this, once you have completed the training, you will be asked to agree with their terms and conditions. Make sure you read everything, and click on the start. Once you have clicked on to the start one, you are entering the real mode. Now here you will be earning real money for every captcha that you're going to solve. As far as I know, for one captcha in the beginning you will be getting paid $0.0003. After that, you will be increased according to the reputation that I have said earlier in this video. Now once you have getting a lot of reputation, your pay will also be increasing. Now before, on the screen as I'm showing, this is the most important step that you're going to do, because select the language that you are really comfortable with. Because choosing a language that is really hard for you, or you are just in a beginning stage of that language, please don't select it, because of you're going to get a lot of captchas and you're going to make a lot of money. Please don't have that idea of choosing some other language that you're not really good at. So I'm just end up choosing only English. I don't want to experiment myself with choosing some other languages that are I'm in just a beginner stage. I will be choosing only English. Now after confirming everything in this page, you will be going through the working area, workspace. So that is where you are going to solve real captcha. Now I'm just struggling with choosing my language, because I'm just checking whether I have some other language that I really comfortable in working with. But sadly I don't have the language that I'm expecting. Now we are going to start with the real mode. I'm just showing you guys. I'm really not good at all those things, but I'm just trying myself that whether I will be able to make some money from here or not. That is what we are going to experiment. As I have told you earlier, can you see the green line that is showing the timer? If you're going to stay idle, this captcha will be, you will lose this captcha and it will be marked as a mistake. So make sure you're going to enter all the captchas that you're going to see. Never ever stay idle. That the timer will run fast if you're going to stay idle. So make sure you keep entering something, and the timer will not stay forever even if you type something. And another option that you have is stop mode, where you can stop your work. You can temporarily pause it, or you can even close after stopping it. This stop will actually make your work in hibernate mode, so you don't have to worry about missing all the captchas or losing your money. It's just stop. You can even resume your work after that. Another thing that I have to tell you guys is that, say if you're going to enter something wrong, like you have entered by mistake, or you don't know, like you actually not able to see what the letter is, you have entered something wrong, so you have ended up submitting that wrong answer. Now it will not show you just then you have entered the wrong captcha. It is not going to show any pop-up message, or it is not going to show any error, or it is not going to make that mistake in the above area where you can see mistake is actually shown. It will not show you there. When you have clicked the stop button, after which it will show you the wrong answer that you have entered, and it will deduct the amount of money from your total money that you have gained in this session. All these mistakes, and if your account is suspended for this mistake or not, everything will be shown in your dashboard area only. Now you cannot see whether you have made a mistake in your previous captcha or not. Nothing will be shown here. Only the amount of captchas that you have entered will be shown above, where you can see captchas entered. I have entered around 8 captchas. Now for 8 captchas, in this session I'm getting around $0.0019. It might increase, however, like how much ever I am solving. And I have kept it as normal plus recaptcha, so there will be a high chance of getting a lot of amount, because recaptchas cost higher than the normal captchas. Recaptchas, as I have said earlier, it involves a lot of images and puzzles that you have to solve. Now talking about getting the payment, once you have earned the threshold, so the threshold differs upon various payment gateways that they have, but sadly they don't have any PayPal or any wire transfers for now, but they have web money, Bitcoin, Perfect Money, Payeer. So all those things are listed here. So the minimal withdrawal will be depending upon each payment gateway that you're going to choose. It differs according to it. It will be 0.5 for web money, and if you're going to withdraw it through Bitcoin, it will be $1. And you're not going to be waiting for a month or a week to get paid. This is going to be instant. Once you have reached the threshold for the selected wallet or the connected wallet in your profile, you will be getting paid instantly. So that being said, that's all about the video, guys. If you have any doubts or any queries about this, or in general if you have any doubts or queries to be clarified, you can leave it in the comments below. I will make sure I answer it as soon as possible. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And I will be making a lot of captcha entry work videos, so make sure you are subscribed to this channel so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And meet you all in the next video, guys. Until then, bye and thank you.